So I'm going to do the first two from the slide, and we're going to see examples of how to do the addition and subtraction with rational expressions. And I want you to remember, always remember that the rules for addition and subtraction are different from the rules for multiplication and division. Okay? So remember, what we're trying to do here is we're trying to get a common denominator. And the way that we're going to do that is we're going to take this fraction right here and multiply both the top and the bottom of that fraction by this denominator right here. Okay? So we're going to start by saying that you have 2x times 5x plus 7 on the top over x minus 8 times 5x plus 7 on the bottom. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take this entire fraction here and multiply both the top and the bottom by the denominator of that side. So we're going to do minus 2x times x minus 8 over 5x plus 7 times x minus 8. Okay? Because what's going to end up happening is, by the commutative property, this and this are going to end up being the same. Okay? It doesn't matter. When you have multiplication, it doesn't matter what order you multiply by. It really matters what order you subtract by. It also matters what order you divide by. But when you've got multiplication or addition, it does not matter what order it comes in. So we'll go ahead and we'll take our 2x and multiply it times 5x and times 7. We're going to end up doing that here too. And then on the bottom, we're going to end up doing FOIL, right? Okay? And that's going to happen over here as well. Okay? So let's go ahead and take a look at that. I've got 2x times 5x is going to be 10x squared. 2x times 7 is going to be 14x. Okay? And on the bottom, x times 5x is 5x squared. X times 7 is plus 7x. Negative 8, right, times 5x is minus 40x. And negative 8 times 7 is minus, check me on this, I think it's 56. 7 times 4 is 28, times 2 is 56, yeah, minus 56. Okay? And then from that we're going to subtract 2x times x is going to be 2x squared. 2x times negative 8 is going to be minus 16x. Okay? Over, and again, 5x times x is 5x squared. Ooh, same. Okay? 5x times negative 8 is minus 40x. 7 times x is plus 7x. And again, 7 times 8 is minus 56. Now notice, this plus 6 and this minus 40x, this minus 40x and this plus 7x, did I say 7x over there? I did anyway. They're in different places, but we're going to see that they're both going to end up being minus 40 plus 7 is minus 33. 7 minus 40 is minus 33. So what we're going to have is, on the top we're going to have 10x squared plus 14x, okay, minus 2x squared minus 16x, okay, and on the bottom we're going to have 5x squared, and then again, when I combine these, I get minus 33x in both cases. So it ends up being the common denominator, minus 56, okay? This and this, they are the same, common denominators. So now I can go ahead and do my subtraction. Remember, with subtraction, you've got to take that minus and distribute it here and here. Okay? So you're going to end up with, we're going to drop the parentheses, 10x squared plus 14x. And when we drop the parentheses, we're going to distribute that minus. Minus 2x squared plus 16x all over 5x squared minus 33x minus 56. So then, the 10x squared combines with the negative 2x squared to give you 8x squared. The 14x combines with the 16x to give you 30x. Okay? And then on the bottom you got 5x squared minus 33x minus 56. Okay, how many got that right? Ta-da! Everybody got it right. Yay! Okay, let's go ahead and do the next one. Okay, number 2, which is going to be an addition problem. Or would you rather have me do number 3? Also an addition problem, a little bit more difficult. Let's take a look at number 3. Number 3, I've got 5 over 4x plus x plus 4 over x squared minus 36. I don't know if it's more difficult. I'm going to take my first fraction here and I'm going to multiply both the top and the bottom by the denominator here. So I'm going to get 5 times x squared minus 36 over 4x times x squared minus 36. To that, now I'm going to take this fraction and multiply both the top and the bottom by this denominator, plus x plus 4 times 4x over x squared minus 36 times 4x. Well, the 4x just distributes. Okay, it distributes here, this distributes there. So I'm going to end up with 5x squared. What is 5 times negative 36? Let's take a look at that. Negative 36 times 5. 5 times, that's going to be 30. Minus 15 minus 18, so negative 180, I guess. Okay. 5x squared minus 180 over, looks like 4x cubed. Why did I choose minus 36? Negative 36 times 4. 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times negative 3 is negative 12. Plus 2, so negative 104. Okay, so, and there's an x, so it's going to be minus 104x. Does that look right to everybody? Oh, good. Plus, x times 4x is 4x squared. 4 times 4x is plus 16x. And on the bottom, I've got 4x times x squared, which is 4x cubed. 4x times negative 36, which is minus 104x. Am I getting that right? 4 times 6 is 24. So the 4 goes down here, the 2 goes up here. 4 times negative 3 is negative 12. No, I know what I need to do. I just need to give it that at the end. 4 times 3 is 12, plus 2 is 14. It should be 144. So that should be negative 144. Anybody have a calculator? Where's my calculator? I'll be right back. I don't want to get this wrong for y'all. Let's see. 36 times 4 equals 144. Alright, so Mr. Let's made a mistake on YouTube. No. Okay. Let's go ahead. That's going to be too big. Here we go. Let's get rid of these zeros and put 4s there. Okay. There we go. This is a dark day in history, ladies and gentlemen. Alright. Much better. Okay. So now we've got this common denominator, of course, and we just need to add these together. And the thing to remember about addition with polynomials is that it's super easy. I just combine my like terms. 5x squared plus 4x squared is 9x squared. Looks like these are not like terms, so I'm going to put plus 16x minus 180 over 4x cubed minus 144x. Alrighty, and that is how you do addition